Hi and welcome back to another episode where we'll make pork chops with chips and we will show the amazing place where we cook this delicious meal. We will start by making the marinade. We made it 24 hours earlier to be sure that it gets infused with the marinade. You can use this marinade even for pork belly or pork ribs. We used pork chops, pork neck. For the exact amounts, look in the description below. Brown sugar, olive oil, soy sauce, ground black pepper, mustard, Worcester sauce, and garlic. We use a bag in which we will put our meat with the marinade. Using a bag is the best option because you can seal it and mix it easily. We add the sugar on top. Followed by the garlic, the olive oil, Worcester sauce, ground pepper, the soy sauce and the mustard. We seal the bag and we mix everything together. We let it rest for at least 12 hours. To be sure that the marinade penetrates the meat evenly, shake the bag every 3 to 4 hours. Now we can go outside and start cooking. This is how our meat looks like after 24 hours of marinating. It is beautiful. We prepare our potatoes. We wash them, but we leave the skin on. We cut the potatoes in roughly 4 mm thin slices. When our coal is hot, we start to put the meat on the grill. Be sure to pour on top of the meat the marinade. Don't throw it away because all the good juices are in there. Meanwhile, in a hot pan, we add some olive oil and we sear our potato chips. We season with salt and ground pepper, but you can use any seasoning you love. We want them golden and crispy. This is one of the simplest dishes you can make outside and is best served with a fresh salad. If you enjoyed our video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. Stay tuned because we have some amazing recipes coming. See you next time.